Hello there and welcome to this video about the class object in Java. So the object class is very important. I just found this site on Oracle for Java version 21 about the object class, and it says Java lang object and it states directly here the class object is the root of the class hierarchy. Every class has object as a superclass. Okay, so all classes that you create while creating software in Java will extend either directly or indirectly from the object. So it is an object. I also found this class hierarchy in Java, so we can see all the different packages, and we have the Java lang object, the root object, and then we can see, and I'm not going to scroll all the way down, it is a very, very long page here, but we can see that all Java classes will be a subclass. It will extend from the object class, and scrolling down here, very, very long list. So up again we go here. So everything extends from object, and you might hear that people talk about that Java is object oriented, and this might be because of this fact that every class will extend from object, that it is object oriented. If we scroll down here for this detailed page about the object class, we can see that we have various methods that we can use, and that will be present on all classes and all objects in Java. So we have, I'm not going to go through all of them in detail. You can inspect this yourself if you want to. We can click on the methods if we want to get more information. But we can see we have a method called clone that will create and return a copy of this object with the same values and so on and so forth. We have the equals method that will help us determine if another object is equal to this one. Then we also have hash code that returns a hash code value for this object, and that can come into handy when we need to determine if it is equal, and also when we are using data structures. And then we have the toString, among others, that is very important because it will help us return a string representation of the object, and I will make a demonstration later on so we can see this. So very important method to know about. But otherwise, yeah, that is what I wanted to say in the beginning here in this first video about the object class. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.